The tropics are waking up. We're going to start in the Gulf of Mexico as we break down multiple storms here on Fox 28. The first one is Tropical Depression 9. 35-mile-per-hour sustained wind gusts at the moment, expected to strengthen toward tropical storm strength. It will bring rainfall to a state that has been impacted by such widespread droughts throughout the entire summer. Exceptional drought conditions just to the west of Austin, Texas here and up the coast toward Houston. Again, this will bring a little bit of relief from that, although the storm will most likely stay south of Houston toward Corpus Christi and Brownsville. Next, Dominican Republic and Haiti is going to be impacted by Tropical Storm Franklin. Current tropical storm warnings issued for the southern side of the island as it's expected to make landfall early Wednesday morning with 65-mile-per-hour sustained gusts moving through the island toward the north, expected to reach hurricane strength by next weekend. The spaghetti plots confirm the northern movement as well. Next, Tropical Depression Gert. You can write this one off, as well as post-tropical cyclone Emily. And we're also going to keep our eye on a new development, again, to the west of the African coast. 70% chance of development within the next week. More updates to come. You want to make sure you're staying tuned to Fox 28 as we still have a tremendous amount of the season to go.